Hello and welcome back to the C3 Technology channel, and in today's video we are going to be looking at Wish.com and we'll be looking at their tech products. So let's get into it. So first let's just search up tech and see what it comes up with. Alright, is there any way that we can... filter maybe? 0 to £5. Does anything come up? Whoa. What? Oh, sorry guys. Let's see what happens if we've got the highest up. Oh, fiver. But a fiver though, £2.90 for some earphones is like a bargain, to be honest. I spent 30 quid on some earphones once. Right, so we have like a fake AirTag. Some more earphones. Gosh, earphones like Wish.com is just like, here's some earphones for you, for you, for you, for you. A USB stick. And how big it is. 8 gigs. 64 gigs. 6 quid for 64 gigs. I would like it. Wait, is it? Oh, it's LEDs. Oh, that is fancy, especially for the price. I suppose it is only USB 2.0. LCD writing tablet. Now I got one of these off Temu once and they're quite good, to be honest. It's just a shame that you need to replace the battery in it every once in a while. I mean, I haven't had to do that yet, but anyway. Oh, a little like organizer, I think. Oh no, glass tube. Oh, fuses. Oh, I wouldn't need them. Also, just to let you guys know, we are not going to be purchasing any of this. Okay, I just wanted to make that clear. Why would I want that exactly? Why would you want to just like say what your car brand is when it's like plastered on the steering wheel, you know, on the wheels? Me Encanto, buen material, whatever that means. Well, Fablo just said 5 stars. No else. I were happy to this product. A year, 11 months, a year. It doesn't give me exact dates, so anyway. 1 terabyte SD card for $114. Are they sure? I once spent £20 on a 256 gig one. Oh, it's quite high quality, the one that I got, but that's like a fraction of the cost. Oh, because it's 8 gigs. 1 terabyte is actually £7.37. I knew it was too good to be true. What's this? Size, colour. Whoa, that is fancy, but does it actually work? Probably not. Or at least it'll work for like 2 days and then just snap in half. What is that? Oh, a mouse mat. What is it? Oh, an energy reactor. Looks like Iron Man in the middle. Or whatever it's called. I think it's Iron Man. Right, what's this? It is free driver USB Wi-Fi adapter. Free driver though? Is that like because the driver's free or... They should all work, but will they? So for the cost and time to ship here, this is 1. Got hardware to boot up for me the first time, so... What is this? Liquid insulating tape. So, since when is tape liquid? Oh, what if I get 250 mils? That's black. $4.98. Oh gosh. Right now, then let's see. Free tech. Let's see if they're giving any tech away for free. Doesn't look it, but do you think? Oh, SLR. I thought it said DSLR. I was going to say, yeah, right. That's £27.15. Why would you get the 720p one for the same price as the 1080p one? Would you not want to get the better one? I mean, it's terrible quality camera, mind. Looks like a knockoff, like Lumix or something, like the camera that we use. Digital zoom. Not much of what I would call an upgrade, but didn't expect for the price. It does work and easy to offer it. Yeah, but rubbish quality. Don't pay for this camera. I would say that's it. It broken when it came to my house. Told them I want my money back by now, since they gave me a hard time when they gone here from my lawyer. Since they give me a hard time, they're gonna hear from my lawyer because they sell false advertisement items. They won't help me. Lawyer for £30. Horrible, did not see the difference between 4 and 16 times zoom. Very cheap. No battery included. The photo's not good. I do not recommend this. Five stars. And it has no battery. What type of battery is it? Can I ask? Let's have a look then. So, storage cards. 32 gigabytes. Ooh. I have a camera, right, from 10 years ago, I think it is now. I have no clue. But it supports up to 32 gigs, so the same as this, 1080p. Good quality. Bad quality video, mind. And it's good zoom as well, because 4 times zoom isn't digital, it's optical. What battery does it use though? Monitor's picture may not reflect the actual colour of the item. We recommend style. We guarantee the style is the same as due to manual measurement. Please allow 1 free, whatever that means. Probably take you about a month to get it. And that's all the warranty that you get. Right, enough of that one, because that one's just been annoying, to be honest, you know. Everyone hates it. Even though it seemed good, but probably isn't. What is this? Black XLR to male to female. We got something not lit like this, but sort of similar. I actually have it right next to me. It is, if you want to have a look at it, go to one of the last mystery box videos. I really, to be honest, it's a big tech box, but I can't remember what video it was in. But if you want to have a look at it for yourself, it's a Jet C01. So yeah, if you'd like to look at it yourself, look at it on Amazon. Definitely would not buy from the site again because it's too expensive. But 10 pack of XLR, 6.5 feet or 2 meters for $36 off Amazon, and it arrived here a lot sooner. For 6 at only 1 meter, they were 40, and not worth it. Sounds like price is a bit too high. Down, they don't have any free tech, which is what I searched, which is a shame, but why don't we have a look at phones? No, laptops. Right, so let's have a little look. So this one is, by the looks of it, yeah, a Chromebook on EE. Strange, because my phone's on EE. Phone. So, yeah, why would it be on? I suppose so. EE do stuff like that, like on EE you can get things like a phone and a like a tablet or phone Chromebook, like pack. But yeah, let's have a look at some more. i7-4500U. I think that's like the bad one, isn't it? I don't know. Okay, that looks like a power chunk. Do you get any screen with that bezel or not? Is it just like pure bezel? Like literally, right? It is a 10.1 inch. My tablet is a 7.6 inch, I think. I don't know. But 10.1 inch is probably from there to there. I have no clue. But it's tiny, so yeah. Why would you want it? Right, this one's one where you need to be asking, do you get a screen without bezel? Like, do you? It's a valid question. Why have they put it in as like a design thing in the house? After a while, keyboard gone. Here I interpretation letters on numbers. Even have to open and use charging switch by Microsoft Advise. And charging switch by Microsoft Advise, whatever that means. Most of these reviews though aren't even English. It's like random languages that I don't know. Oh! What happened there? I must have like... It's all freaking out. Oh. Now this one is a good one. Sort of. Intel i5. What i5? Whoa, that is rubbish, I think. Let's have a look on user benchmark. And compare it to mine. And mine is quite a good one, to be honest. I'll show you mine in a minute. User benchmark. Compare. Core i5 paste 51.1 versus, now mine's a bit of an old one, but AMD Ryzen 5 2600, like by nearly 50%, which is quite a big difference, to be honest, but it's quite a new CPU, mind. So yeah.